Benvenuto! Welcome to Cherry Hill Home Cooking. My name is Mark. Today we're going to make some fish. We don't do fish a lot, and I guess this is kind of a take on a Mediterranean fish and tomatoes. It's quick, easy, not a ton of ingredients. So let's get started. So, of course, what we need is some white flaky fish, cod, halibut, whatever your favorite is. I've got just about 2 pounds, okay? We're going to need some whole tomatoes. So I've got a 28-ounce can of whole tomatoes. Of course, we need a little salt and pepper. And we're going to flavor our fish with some sweet paprika, oregano, and ground cumin. All right. Like I said, salt and pepper. We need a little bit of olive oil. And I've got... I've got 4 smaller cloves of garlic. Because that's going to be to taste. If you like lots of garlic, put as much garlic in you want. 2 large cloves or 4 smaller ones, all right? And we'll mince that up in our little blender. I got my frying pan heating up. Now, it was a little cooler up in our area today than it has been. So I thought I'd do this dish because it's quick and easy. We're going to bake the fish in the oven, but all right. So where it's a little bit cooler, it's going to be more comfortable, of course. All right. So I've got 1 large yellow onion, and you want to just you can slice it any way you want, long way, or I cut it in half, and I'm slicing it like that. Do it on a little on the thin side. All right, just because we want it to saute up nice. All right, so our pan should be hot. I've got my oven set at 400 degrees, and we're going to put a good couple tablespoons of our oil in there. Give it a moment to fully heat. And these are just my favorite canned whole tomatoes, whatever you like. These are San Marzanos, or so it says. It's certified. All right, let's get our onions in. And our fish is only going to cook in the oven about 10 minutes. Get our onions sauteing up. We need a little bit of salt. And we need some pepper. Fresh ground if possible. All right, and we'll just let it do its thing. We'll add our garlic in once these just start to soften a little bit. All right, so our fish. I've measured out, and of course all the amounts that I use will be in the recipe, but I've measured out my oregano and all that in this bowl. All right, we're going to salt and pepper. Now, you do need 2 lemons, but I forgot to get them at the supermarket. So you want the juice of 2 lemons as well, guys. This is our oregano and cumin and the sweet paprika. And we want to get that on there pretty good and then turn them over. I've got in here 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Oh no, I didn't add the salt and pepper. Sorry about that. So a teaspoon of oregano, our sweet paprika, which was a teaspoon, and a half a teaspoon of our cumin. All right, we can set that aside for now. Let's give our onions another toss. I had them on medium high. I just turned it up a little bit. Yeah, we'll just clean up our mess here a little bit. Now, if you're using an oven-safe frying pan, you can do it all in one pan. I tend to like to do this in a 9 by 13 or 9 by 12, just because I feel it kind of, the fish sits in it a little bit better opposed to crowding it in the pan. Okay, we're going to throw our garlic in. And we'll give that a little toss. Our onions are starting to soften up a bit. I'm going to add just a little bit of the dried oregano in here. So this is a delicious, low carbohydrate, high protein meal. So we've got our tomatoes, and we're going to add those in. And you want to break up your tomatoes a bit, or a good amount. I'm going to get a little masher. Be right back. No, I'm not. What did I do with that? If it's not in there. Yeah. Yeah, you did? There it is, right in front of me. And a little easier to break them up. Get all the juice out. All right, guys, so at this point, I'm just going to do a little bit more salt and pepper. All right, and we want to bring this up to a simmer. Now, if I had not forgot the lemons, I'd squeeze half of the lemon, or half of the 2 of the lemons in here now as it comes up to a simmer. But since I forgot them, I can't do that. It's coming up to a simmer. So when it's all little bubbles all over the place, It's at a simmer. And we want to let that simmer for at least 10 minutes. All right, so we'll be back in 10 minutes. All right, guys, our sauce is nicely simmered. Shut off the power. And I'm just going to take a couple spoonfuls and coat the bottom of our pan. All right, and let's get our fish in there. And then we can just chop the rest of it. All right. And we're going to give it just a little drizzle of each piece of our nice extra virgin olive oil. All right, and in the oven, like I said, the oven is preheated at 400, middle rack. And that's going to take about 10 minutes, depending on how thick your fish is. Okay, set a timer for 10 minutes.
All right, 10 minutes. Starting now.
All right, we'll see you in about 10 minutes. All right, guys, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's take it out. And we can give our temperature check. With fish, we want it, between 130, 135. Should have us and we're a little low. That's 128. All right, I'm going to put it back in for another 5 minutes. Okay, set a timer for 5 minutes. And we'll see you in 5 minutes.
Starting now.
All right, let's check our temperature. And I can see that even looks a little bit more flaky, so, yep. We're a little over, but that's okay. All right, guys. Our cotton tomatoes are done. Now, when I sprinkled the little bit of olive oil, that's when you would also, done the other lemon. All right. So we'll plate this up and have dinner. Okay. Best part of cooking is the eating. And we got a little side salad with our dinner tonight. Look at that nice flaky fish.
Oh, it smells good too.
Wow. A little lemon would have brightened it up, but unfortunately I didn't have some.
Spicy, more spicy than I expected.
Oh, really?
It has that chili taste to it.
Yeah, the curry. Some of that curry in there, so.
It's really good.
All right, well, I think that's delicious.
So do I. You done it?
I'm done.
Please remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you on our next video.
Ciao.
Bye.